Good morning, children. Welcome back on your GK online classes. Yes, how are you, children? How was your exam? I hope everyone did well. Yes, children. Now we will study about the solar system. And already you people have studied about the solar system. What is the solar system? Solar system means the heavenly bodies which revolves around the sun. That is called as a solar system. Yes, how many planets are there in solar system? Yes, in the older times, in the older days, you people have seen 9 planets, or you people had learned about the 9 planets. But slowly, one of the planet that is called as a Pluto, it is called as the 9th planet. It is extinct from the universe. So total 8 planets were left over it. So these all planets are arranged in an orbit and revolving around the sun. Yes, now you are aware of the existence of the 8 planets around the sun. Each planet has its own period or orbit or revolution around the sun. So here the 8 planets were given. You have to find out the period of revolution for each planet. So here some of the planet name is given there. So let's see the book and let us find out that how many days it takes to revolve around it, around the sun. So let's see the first planet, that is a Mercury. Mercury takes 88 days. Then the second planet, that is Venus, it takes 225 days to revolve around the sun. Then the third one, Earth. Earth it take 365 days and 6 hours. The fourth planet is Mars. Mars take it 687 days. And that fifth planet, that is a Jupiter, it takes 11 years 86 days. Then the sixth planet, that is Saturn, it takes 29 years 46 days. And the seventh one, Uranus, it takes 84 years and 1 days. And the last planet, that is Neptune, it takes 165 years. So these are the 8 planets and it takes several days to revolve around the sun. So here the period of orbit is given there. So whatever I am dictating you children, please note it down in your GK book. Okay, now we will move to the next page, that is about a starry night sky. Yes, in the sky, what are the things you can see? We can see moon, sun, star, that clouds. Okay, so these are the several things we can see. We can see what? Moon, star, sun. In the night time, we can see thousands and thousands of millions of stars. It is twinkling in the sky. Can we count it? No, we can't count it. But the astronomers believe that there are about 10 billion and trillion stars are there in the universe, which we are not knowing it. So let us learn or know more about it. What are the various stars which is present in the sky and what are its importance? So first fillip is that dash are a shooting star. Meteors are called shooting star. They are fast moving streaks of light that consist of a dust and the rock. And the second one is that a large star at least 1/2 times bigger than the sun is nearing its end. So yes, which star it is? It is supernova. supernova, supernova. Third one, third phylum is the star nearest to the earth apart from the sun. Yes, answer is Proxima Centauri. Yes, Proxima Centauri. Once again, I am repeating it. Proxima Centauri. Centauri. Yes, then fourth one. The brightest star in the sky is the Sirius. Sirius, and it is also called the dog star. Fifth one. The distance of one light year is 9.45 trillion kilometers. Then the sixth one. The galaxy seen in the northern sky is Andromeda Galaxy. Yes, I am repeating once again. Andromeda. Andromeda. Andromeda Galaxy. 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 Seventh one. A constellation of stars means a great hunter in Greek mythology. It has a distinctive pattern of a belt, sword, and a shield. That is called as a Orion. Orion. Once again, I am repeating it. Orion. Orion. Then the eighth one. The constellation which forms a W shape in the northern sky is Cassiopeia. 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 Then the ninth one. The best known constellation in the southern sky, which is in the shape of cross or a diamond shaped kite, is Crux. Crux. Once again I am repeating it. Crux. Crux. Then the 10th one. Dash is called a double star or binary star. Yes, Alpha Centauri. ALPHA. Alpha Centauri. Alpha Centauri is called a star or a binary star. It is called as a double star or a binary star. Then 11th one. Dash is the biggest star, 700 times bigger than the sun. So what is that? Which star? Which is the star? It is a Betelgeuse. Betelgeuse. Once again I am repeating it. Betelgeuse. Now the 12th one. The heaviest star in the sky is the dash. Yes, Eta Carinae. Eta Carinae. Carinae, which is 150 to 200 times heavier than the sun. Yes, 13th one. Dash is the hottest known star with a surface temperature of 220,000 degrees Celsius. Yes, it is nebula NGA. Yes, write down that NGA in capital letter. And it is 22,000. Yes, it is a 2240. It is 2240. Now, 14th one. The northern light caused by electrically charged particles thrown out from the sun are called aurora borealis. AURORA BOREALIS. Borealis, borealis. Then the last one, lights flickering in the southern sky, which are rarely seen, are aurora australis. AURORA, aurora australis. AUSTRALIS, australis, aurora australis. So these are the 15 Phillips. These are the 15 Phillips, and these are the stars which we are not knowing it much about it. So children, whatever I had given it, please note it down in your book and go through it once again. So keeps on learning. Thank you very much.